Imagine a warship that doesn't just carry traditional aircraft, but is purpose-built to launch swarms of combat drones, transforming naval warfare as we know it. That's exactly what China's Type 76 amphibious assault ship promises. A revolutionary vessel designed to dominate air, sea, and land battles with cutting-edge drone technology. This is more than just another warship. It's a game-changing leap in military innovation. In this video, we'll explore what makes the Type 76 so special, how it redefines naval power, and why it signals a seismic shift in the future of warfare. Stay with us to uncover the details. The Type 76 isn't just another addition to China's fleet. It's a vessel designed to push boundaries. Let's break down what makes it so special. First, the ship is equipped with an electromagnetic catapult system, a feature more commonly associated with aircraft carriers. This catapult isn't just for manned aircraft. It's tailored for launching drones, particularly combat-ready unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, like the GJ-11. These drones are stealthy, capable of precision strikes, and ideal for reconnaissance missions. The catapult ensures rapid and efficient deployment, a critical factor in high-stakes scenarios. Then there's the expansive flight deck. Measuring over 850 feet long, it's designed to handle a high volume of aircraft traffic. Dual elevators, one on each side, streamline operations, enabling faster turnaround times for drones and aircraft. This means the ship can sustain continuous aerial operations, a game-changer in modern naval engagements. And let's not forget the well deck. Located at the stern, this area facilitates the deployment of landing craft and amphibious vehicles, adding another layer of versatility. The Type 76 isn't just about aerial dominance, it's also a key player in amphibious assaults, making it a hybrid of a drone carrier and a traditional assault ship. Why does this matter? Because it positions China to operate with flexibility across multiple domains. By integrating drones with a vessel of this scale and complexity, the Type 76 sets a new standard for multifunctional warships. The Type 76 isn't just about technological advancements. It's a strategic statement. For China, this ship is a tool for projecting power far beyond its shores, particularly in regions like the South China Sea, where territorial disputes and competition for resources are intensifying. By introducing a drone-capable amphibious ship, China is positioning itself as a dominant maritime force in one of the world's most contested waterways. One of the most significant strategic advantages of the Type 76 is its ability to complement China's existing naval assets. The Shandong and Liaoning aircraft carriers, alongside the soon-to-be operational Fujian, already form the backbone of the PLA Navy's fleet. The addition of the Type 76 enhances this fleet by providing a specialized platform for uncrewed operations. Unlike traditional carriers which focus on manned aircraft, the Type 76 is tailored for UAVs, offering a unique capability that enhances China's overall operational flexibility. This specialization is crucial in modern warfare, where drones are playing an increasingly vital role. Uncrewed systems can conduct operations in environments too dangerous for human pilots, gather real-time intelligence, and execute precision strikes with minimal collateral damage. The Type 76 ability to deploy these systems at scale gives China a significant tactical advantage, particularly in scenarios where speed and adaptability are critical. The ship's versatility also extends to its role in amphibious operations. With a well deck capable of launching landing craft and amphibious vehicles, the Type 76 can support joint operations that combine aerial and ground assaults. This dual capability is especially relevant in the South China Sea, where China has been constructing artificial islands and bolstering its military presence. A vessel like the Type 76 can serve as a mobile command center, enabling rapid deployment and sustained operations in contested areas. Beyond its regional impact, the Type 76 sends a clear message to the global community. China is ready to challenge traditional maritime powers like the United States. While the U.S. Navy is experimenting with drone integration on carriers like the USS Gerald R. Ford, the Type 76 represents a fully operational system designed specifically for uncrewed combat. The introduction of the Type 76 shines a spotlight on the growing role of drones in military strategy. Unmanned systems, particularly UAVs, are no longer just support tools. They are central to how wars are fought and won. So why are drones so revolutionary, and how does the Type 76 maximize their potential? At the forefront of this revolution is the GJ-11 stealth drone, a key component of the Type 76's arsenal. This UAV is designed for both reconnaissance and combat, capable of penetrating enemy defenses and executing precision strikes. Unlike manned aircraft, drones like the GJ-11 can operate in high-risk environments without endangering pilots. They are faster to deploy, more cost-effective to maintain, and offer unparalleled flexibility in the field. What makes the Type 76 unique is its ability to handle large volumes of drones simultaneously. The ship's design facilitates swarm tactics, a cutting-edge military strategy where multiple UAVs work together to overwhelm enemy defenses. Imagine dozens of drones coordinating in real time, confusing enemy radar systems, and striking targets with pinpoint accuracy. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of modern warfare, and the Type 76 is built to execute these tactics flawlessly. Drones also play a critical role in intelligence gathering, another area where the Type 76 excels. UAVs can provide real-time surveillance, monitor enemy movements, and even map terrain in hostile areas. By deploying drones, the Type 76 becomes a mobile intelligence hub, capable of supporting operations far beyond the reach of traditional reconnaissance methods. This capability is invaluable in scenarios where information is the difference between victory and defeat. The broader implications of drone-centric warfare are profound. By reducing reliance on manned operations, militaries can conduct missions with fewer risks to human life. The integration of AI-driven systems into drones further enhances their capabilities, enabling autonomous decision-making and faster response times. For China, the Type 76 is a demonstration of its commitment to leading this technological shift. The Type 76 isn't just a warship, it's a symbol of the future. As drones take center stage in military strategy, ships like the Type 76 will define how wars are fought: fast, precise, and increasingly uncrewed. The Type 76 isn't just a ship, it's a vision of what naval power could look like in the 21st century. With its advanced drone capabilities, versatile design, and strategic importance, it represents a bold step forward for China and a challenge to the rest of the world. As nations race to integrate drones and other uncrewed systems into their fleets, the Type 76 stands as a testament to the transformative power of technology. Whether it's dominating contested regions or redefining the rules of warfare, this ship is set to leave a lasting mark on military history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, spaceinews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.